Okay, so working with a small wireless keyboard, this is my favorite way to control the chart and is usually how I use it in practice. Almost all of the functions, features, charts, and targets have an associated keyboard shortcut. So if you get a little mini wireless keyboard like this and you keep it with you like a remote control, you can quickly switch between charts by using the shortcut keys. So let me show you how to find the shortcuts. From inside the application, if you click on the help button here, it'll take you to the user guide which explains the basics of the app. If you scroll down the page until you get to a link that says download PDF with shortcut keys and click on it, it'll open the PDF with the shortcut keys. I highly recommend that you print it out and place it where you can see it in your exam room, whether against the wall or on your desk, just while you get familiar with the shortcut keys. I guarantee after a few tests you'll know your way around the chart using the shortcut keys without referring to the printout. Just to give you an idea, say you want to switch to VA charts, the shortcut key is simply V. It'll ask for full screen mode if you're not in full screen mode. If you want to switch to your Jackson Crosshill, it's just J. Let me just hide the menus and then it's easier to see if we have a clear screen. Say you want to go to your horizontal fixation disparity, it's just Shift H and there we go. And if you press Shift H again, it takes away the fixation dot. Shift H again, it adds a fixation dot. Let's say you want to go to your duochrome balance, then you just press D. If you want to resize, you just press down. If you want to upsize, you press up. Say you want to go to your stereopsis test, you press X. Let's say you want a six horizontal line of letters, you just press 6. And there we go. So literally, if you just go through the printout with all the shortcut keys, it's very easy to learn, very quick to use with a small wireless remote.